Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and today we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Now here is a new upgraded model because I'm sure you have seen in our videos we have shown unboxing of Watch 4 also. This is again 40 mm. So the size is similar to the Watch 4 that we have shown you, and it supports Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS similar to the one before. Now what difference is between these two watches? First we will try to unbox and then let's talk about it. So this one is from Vietnam by Samsung. We try to buy the one that is from Vietnam because they say there is a little bit of quality difference. So yeah, and it's easy to find Vietnam products here. Okay, all right, so here is the box, and this is the watch. So you will feel that it's similar to the one that was Watch 4. So they have really made or they have upgraded this with minor changes, not a lot of changes. The upgrades in this watch are like, this has new skin temperature sensor and 60% stronger sapphire crystal glass display, which was not in the model before. And the last thing is, and the best thing I would say, is the battery life. So it has a better battery life than Samsung 4 because it was difficult for me to keep charging the watch all the time. So let's see, now we have to set the location and we'll restart it. So yeah, longer battery life and faster USB charging. And the charging, it's like you have to use Type-C cable like before. So the charger should be here. Okay. Okay. So here is the charger, and it's again, like this. This looks a bit smaller than the one before, I guess. And then this is Type-C now. Before it was USB. So this is better because we are all using Type-C cables in Samsung and other latest devices now. Okay, so this is restarting now. Let's wait. Go. Now here, this one is Watch 4, the old watch, and this is the latest one, Watch 5. Now if you look at the display, they look similar, but no, this one is much stronger now, as they have used sapphire crystal glass here, which is 60% stronger than this one, which was the previous glass. Now what is similar is the processor. It's almost same, so there's no difference in the processor. The price is also affordable for both the watches, and the straps can be like changed in the similar way. So if you were using Samsung Watch 4 before, you can use these straps in Samsung Watch 5 also, so your straps won't go waste. All right, so we are completing the setup here. This is what we wanted to show you. This is our new watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.